guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we'd really appreciate it if you would. We just landed in Chicago and we're going to try to go purchase a car. It's a little bit of a surprise and we're real excited about it, and I'll pick it back up when we get there. So sorry about the noise, but we're here in West Chicago to check out the car. We'll go over everything once they pull it around, getting it cleaned up, but so far it looks pretty good. Carfax was clean, one owner, and very few rust spots, only in kind of the normal places on some of the chassis stiffening and a couple of bolts here and there, but definitely very clean, unmolested, and original looking. So once they get it pulled around, we'll take a look. All right guys, here we go. And there she is. 2004 MR2 Spider. One owner, 29,000 miles. Pretty damn good condition up here in Chicago. Pretty happy with it overall. See, interior's pretty darn clean. Couple of little scratches and things, so we'll see what we can do about that. But seats look pretty good. It's got a real stick, not an SMT, which was a requirement. Factory down to the stereo, and Plastadipped factory wheels. So we'll see if we can do something to clean those guys up a little bit. Tail lights, headlights look real good. Obviously garage kept. There's no way it'd be in this kind of condition. Ooh, that was a good looking Rex that went by. I mean, look at how clear the headlights are, so you can tell this boy's been inside. Pretty happy overall. It's gonna be a fun driver back to Tennessee, and I got my brother-in-law with me as my co-pilot here, so we ought to have some fun today. But been looking for a long time, and this one fit the bill as best of any of them I've seen. Check out the engine bay before we leave and see fairly new battery, a little bit of surface rust on exhaust and a couple of hangers and things, but overall pretty good. That motor mount's not the greatest, and some of these pulleys have a little bit of surface rust, but nothing that we can't deal with or fix. Looked under the car really well, and pinch points have a little bit of surface rust, but it's not too bad, and the stiffeners as well have just a little bit. Top's in really good condition. Really happy with how it looks, and don't think I can one-hand that. Well, we made it home safe and sound, and it was a great trip. Really enjoyed driving the car back. It's still in really good shape except for being covered in bug guts, and I did take that vanity plate holder off, and there are some holes in the bumper that we'll need to deal with. First order of business is going to be an oil change for sure, and then I really would like to get new back and front tires that match. These are staggered, so they're hard to match, but I know that I can, and I want to get some good summer performance tires all the way around. Other than that, very happy with the car. Gonna get this Plastadip off the wheels whenever I do the new tires. I don't mind the black, but it's just not the best Plastadip job I've seen, and I think I'll like it better on the stock rims anyway. Really looking forward to get started with the car. I'm really excited about it. I've never had a mid-engine or convertible, so I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Put any comments you have down at the bottom, and I look forward to the next video. Thanks.